Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to perform multiplication of decimals. So let us take an example here. In this example, let's say we want to multiply a very small number, 0.00073 by another small number, 0.052. So let's say we have these two numbers to multiply. And the way we want to perform the multiplication is by performing these following steps, as we have seen in our earlier examples. So we'll write the first number down, 0.00073, and multiply it by 0.052. So let us recognize a few things in here. In the first number, we have 5 decimal places. In the second number, we have 3 decimal places. So when we complete the multiplication process, we want to make sure that we move the decimal place 8 places from the right. Okay, so let us perform the multiplication here. So we start with the 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. So there is no more number there. So therefore we can write the 14. Right? And then 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. And then 2 times 0 is 0. So therefore we got all the numbers. Then second, we take the 5 and then do the multiplication process. Multiply every one of the numbers in the top row. 5 times 3 is 15. So we write the 5 and then carry the 1. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 1 is 36. And then 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0. So therefore, that's the way we want to perform the multiplication with respect to the 5. And then we go to the 0 here. 0 times 3 is 0, 0 times 7 is 0, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros there. So we fill them up with zeros there. And the last number we have is also a 0. So 0 times any number is going to be equal to 0. So therefore 0 times 3 is 0, 0 times 7 is 0, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros to place there. And now we are ready to add. We're going to add these. And when we add, this is what we're going to come up with. 6 is the first number. 4 plus 5 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 plus 0 is 3, and then 0 plus 0 is 0, 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 and therefore nothing there to add. And now we're going to come back here and then say we have 5 plus 3. There are 5 decimal places in the first number, 3 decimal places in the second number, therefore 5 plus 3 equals to, we have 8 decimal places to move. We're going to move 8 decimal places to the right. So, to the right, from right to the left, we are going to move 8 decimal places. So how do we do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is where we place the decimal place, and therefore in step number 2, we can say when we multiply these two numbers, 0.00073 by 0.052, the result is going to be equal to 0.0000, there are 4 zeros after the decimal point, 3796. It is also a small number. When we multiply very small numbers, the result is also going to be a small number. Okay. So in my next presentation, we shall see more more example problems related to multiplication of decimals.